Well, hi, and thank you for joining me. I'm Monty McKinnon. Today I wanted to give you a quick update on where we're at. You'll recall in the last video that I had put up, we had this fingerboard here is too long. And so what I have done, I showed you how to add a fret, and then I cut it, and then I bumped it so that it would fit. Because the problem we had before, if I can show you, is exaggerated. It was like this. It was just too long and needed to be cut short, because we really want to have this sitting right in and around there like that. Now this doesn't have the binding on it, so once the binding's on it, it's going to fit pretty much perfect. So I'm going to tell you about the neck, but first let's spin that intro. All right, we're back. Now, the last time you saw this, I didn't have this in here. And so this is for the truss rod, which I do have underneath the guitar. And the truss rod will fit right into here, into the slot, nice and perfect, and go down nice and deep. And it's very tight, and it's all wrapped so that there's no sympathetic vibrations occurring when you're strumming your guitar, playing your guitar, that this won't pick up the frequency of the strings and start rattling in the neck, giving you another sound. That does happen from time to time, but it won't happen here with this. So that's all important. The next thing up is I'm going to take the template, the Martin template, I'm going to cut all of this, and you'll see that in the next video. But what we have today that's really special is we've got a special guest. I'm so excited about this because this is actually my first collab, right? Collaboration, is that what we're doing? Where I've invited another YouTuber to come onto the channel, somebody you know that's in the family, and he's here now to join us. Here he is right here.
Hello.
Hi. So, you're a YouTuber.
Yes, I have a channel.
You have a channel.
Subscribe.
This is my grandson Leo, and Leo has his own channel.
Yes,
So tell me, why did you start a channel? How did you do that?
Well, for one, kind of runs in the family a little bit, like Uncle Pete, you.
Yes.
And so I thought I could start a channel. I like YouTube a lot. And I don't know, I just felt like I've always wanted to do it, so started one about like maybe in August.
Okay.
So yeah.
So Leo, you started in August. How many videos have you made?
I think I have 8 or 9.
8 or 9 videos?
Yeah. I'm working on a whole ton now.
Okay, so what is your channel called?
Leo Santarelli, my name. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how did like you're 13.
I am.
Okay. So how did you do this? How did you go about doing it? That's amazing.
So basically what I did is first I needed to get an email. So I set up an email with my parents.
Okay, an email.
And then what you have to do to start the channel is you need to go into YouTube settings, and there's a place where it says like get a channel.
Yes,
like,
okay.
Create a channel, you enter your email, some other info.
Yeah.
And then bing bada boom, you got your channel.
Wait a minute. What was that again?
Bing bada boom.
Okay. I got that. Yep, all right.
And then you need to pick a platform to edit on. So what I've been using right now is iMovie because it's very simple. I also have some other editing platforms that I'm starting to use, but right now I'm using iMovie.
Pretty good, eh? I think this is just terrific. So let me encourage the people who are watching this for their children. They may have young teenagers that are 12 years old, 13 years old, 14 years old, and encourage you to get them onto YouTube and making it a channel and putting up videos and so on. That would be great fun. Or your grandchildren, as we have here, my grandson. So, okay, so what are you doing on your videos? What are your videos about?
So I do fun chat. So I have a few videos that I'm working on right now. It's basically some challenges. Me and my cousin have made a few videos.
Okay.
And I also review Lego because Lego is one of the best things ever for me. I absolutely love it.
How much Lego have you got?
Too much.
Too much?
A lot.
Okay. So if your parents are watching this, and if they bought you Lego
They
for
are.
Christmas, should they be taking it back because you've got
No.
too much?
No, I'll take it all.
You'll take it all. Okay.
Lego is fun. It just takes. You just feel like, yeah, I can't explain it. It's just a great feeling just building it.
The creativity.
Yeah.
Are you going to do a video where you show how to make a spaceship or something like that out of Lego?
I have made some mocks, that's what they call it, and I haven't posted that video. Right now I'm just making a ton of videos. I haven't posted it in like a while just because I'm working on a whole ton of videos. So I'll probably have those by Christmas, around there.
Okay. So you're going to start putting up some. Now, what kind of camera are you using? Like, tell me about your camera.
So-
What are you using?
Sometimes, so I have a GoPro. I use that sometimes. I use my phone.
Yes.
I use that sometimes. And then I have a camera. I don't know the exact name. I only know it's a Canon camera.
They're the best. Okay.
But yeah, that's what I use. And then I have like my stands.
So you've got a GoPro. I don't have a GoPro. How did you get a GoPro?
I asked for it for my birthday.
Oh man, why am I not that smart? I should have asked for a GoPro. Everybody would like me to have a GoPro. I could put it on my forehead,
I
and
have
as I'm
one of the
bending
things.
over doing all this, everybody could see the
Right
shell
there.
indeed. Oh, that's great. That's
Should.
really great. So you like YouTube. So you're going to start putting up more videos at the beginning of the year?
Yes. Right
Okay.
now I'm just working on a whole ton of stuff. I just haven't had a lot of time.
Right.
This school started.
Right.
And everything. But I have a ton of videos coming.
Okay. And you've got just a few subscribers right now because you've just started.
Yeah.
So we would like to invite people to come and subscribe to your
Come and
channel.
subscribe.
And I'll put a link down below.
Please
But
do.
again, the channel is called.
Leo Santorelli.
Okay, so we'll put that up on the video so that everybody will know. And let's show this young man some love, and let's get over there and encourage him to make more videos. That's how it all starts, folks.
Yeah.
I can remember somebody a little bigger. Well, actually, he was about this size when I had a video camera that I was using for business. He came to me and said, "I want to borrow your camera." And the next thing I know, I'm looking for a second camera. So I think it's a great idea. You never know what it could lead to.
Yeah.
You're
start a
pretty
channel. It's
creative,
fun.
are you not? You have to be
Think so.
because you're building your Lego, you're building your own spaceships. Do you use, by the way, all the instructions in the instruction books?
I keep every single instruction
book.
because in case, like, over the summer or quarantine in March through May, I was so bored. So I got an old set that I got.
Aren't we all?
I got a set in 2013 and it broke and I rebuilt it. It took me 3 days because all the pieces were in different bins. It took me
Okay.
3 days. It's, yeah.
But you
I'm very proud of it.
create your own stuff right out of your own imagination and your own creativity.
Yep.
I love creativity. We can do this. Everybody can do this. It doesn't matter if you're a senior or if you're 13. Everybody, there's something for you here on YouTube. So get on a channel, and if you're retired or you're looking for a new hobby, if you're bored at home with all these lockdowns and all that kind of stuff going on, hey man, come on, let's get going and let's get on the YouTube. It's great stuff.
That's what I did this summer.
Well, thank you for coming. Is there anything else you'd like to say or say to the folks at home or watching this?
Like and subscribe to this video. Comment down below and go subscribe to my channel.
Has he got it down pat? I mean, this is perfect. Hey, I had a cup of tea. I don't know where it is. I see it. I left it out the other end of the room. So I'm going to go and get my tea. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you very much. I thought this would be a little shorter, but you need to see Leo. And I hope you'll subscribe to his channel because he's a lot of fun. And write comments to him and encourage him to do more. That's
I
what
like
it's all about. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
Bye for now.